How to use Axiom Trade full beginner guide. So whether you're trading currencies, indices, or commodities, pretty much this guide will help you with starting up and the setup navigation with your first trade. So of course, the first thing you're gonna have to do is find Axiom. You can do this in any preferred browser and just search for Axiom Trade. Open that, and you should be led over here. There are a few ways to pretty much start the actual login. You can press on the start trading over here where you can sign up either an email, sign up. You can do it with Google or Phantom, or you can also do it over here in the sign up option. But if for some reason you already have account, you can go ahead and press on the login option over here. But let's say you don't, so just go ahead and press on sign up and choose whatever option you would like to use. So once you've done that, it's gonna authenticate you for a bit, and there's gonna be stuff you're gonna have to do to verify your account. But other than filling in your name, email, countries, phone number, you can then secure your password once you're done with that. You can get a recovery key and somewhat. Then you can upload KYC documents to pretty much morally verify your account. But once you have done that, you should be able to see the features and the stuff that you're gonna be started with in Axiom Trade. So you can look at what the main stuff you can do in Axiom Trade. That way you can finally start with opening a trading account and then doing your own trades. So once you're done with that, you can go ahead and next make sure to read this as well, since those will help you learn with what you're about to do in Axiom Trade. But once you're done, you can go ahead and press unfinish and finally start exploring the Axiom tool to start up with your journey. You can do exchanges, you can discover, you can look at polls over here. Most of the features are found in the top section of Axiom Trade. You can look at trackers, perpetuals, then the yields over here. Over than that, there's divisions if you like, and there's also your portfolio over here. You can look at the wallets that you have, your spots, and the perpetuals again. And of course, there are reward options that is available in Axiom. So of course, you can always go ahead and explore for more. Your option for your profile is over here in the top right. And if you want to go ahead and deposit to start with your trade, it should show up immediately once you have signed up. But if you want to do it manually, the deposit option is always going to be there. You can start in depositing, you can use a QR code, and once you've done so, you can start with your trading. You can also buy if you like and do conversions. But anyways, those are the main features you have for Axiom Trade. But other than that, those are the main features in Axiom Trade. Again, you can always go ahead and learn more. And Axiom itself, most of its tutorials is available via their officials. And but hopefully this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.